Hey guys, and welcome to Arboleas on this stunning May evening. It's 6 o'clock. Thankfully the rain's gone, blue skies, and wow, how beautifully bright and sunny is this, 6 o'clock in the evening. I've come to do a walk around on a new listing. Full details will be available soon. The stunning Villa Carob, that's the villa there. It's on a gorgeous corner plot, just under 1,300 metres, corner gardens, and at the end of a small kind of cul-de-sac street, I suppose, no through road. And I just love the open aspect that you've got as you come out of the villa onto the driveway. Some stunning walking here. You can walk in the hills all the way over to Zehenna. You're within an easy walk of a wonderful bar restaurant, in fact two. The little building you see up to the left of the villa there is a very handy lockable store shed. And then, as I say, double gate access up to this sweeping gravel driveway. Just wandered into the garden area, and you know, and I know you love villas that just give wonderful surprises. The first surprise is this just beautifully tranquil garden area, designed for low maintenance, but lots of established shrubs and plants, as we'll see. There's the casita, the storage shed there. You can just see the front door to the villa there, so we'll have a wander inside in a minute. Let's just have a look on the other side of the garden. So I just wandered over to the far side of the garden, and the house sits centrally in the grounds, and you've got these beautiful, what are called Carob trees. This is a pomegranate just in front of me, and I'll just duck down here because these create a absolutely wonderful shaded canopy, and it'd be ideal to put a patio set or something underneath those. Today I'm kind of do things a little bit in reverse, because I'm actually going to go in through the front door and then out to the very, very private back garden. You know, normally I start overlooking the pool and come in maybe to the living room or the kitchen. So today we're going to go in through the front door. Let's go take a look. So here we are, beautiful character wood front door, and one of the first things that strikes me that I like is you're coming into a proper entrance hallway, and the second thing that strikes me is just how beautifully bright the villa is and how wonderfully cool it is. It's scorching outside at the moment. Now, shutting that door behind me, you've got 3 double bedrooms in here. Okay, 2 of them they've opted to put single beds in, but they've all got fitted wardrobes. The first bedroom is to the right hand side. Absolutely pristine. So floor to ceiling, great big bank of double wardrobes, nice ceiling fan. Air conditioning hasn't been put into the property because it's being used as a holiday property, and predominantly the owners will overwinter. So they've got a lovely wood burner. See there, the double bank of fitted wardrobe. So this is the second guest bedroom. And then along the hallway, so well away from those 2 bedrooms, is the fantastic master. So we'll take a look down there in a second. But before we do, let's have a look at the main family bathroom. And I know baths are usually popular, so you've got an overhead shower, have a wonderful soak in the tub. And again, just absolutely beautifully presented towel heater you can see there. And then spinning back round, doorway there into the lounge dining room. They've used the dining room on the interior. It's not really necessary, as you'll see when we go out to the garden. I'll explain that in a second. So let's have a wander and have a look at the master bedroom. Loving the tile scheme in here as well. It's just so calming and so cool. That makes sense. You know, this is kind of a house that oozes character, but it's just beautifully bright and modern at the same time. Got the balance absolutely right. So the master bedroom here, absolutely glorious ensuite, which we'll take a look at in a second. And then double doors out to the wonderful covered porch poolside. So you can literally wander out of your master bedroom in the morning or in the evening and cool down with a wonderful swim. Again, huge floor to ceiling bank of fitted wardrobes. Pan around and let's have a look at the ensuite. And this one's got the wonderful double shower. And similar to the rest of the house, just beautifully appointed. Okay, let's go and take a wander out into the living room and the kitchen and stuff. So I've come off the central hallway there into this gorgeous lounge diner. I'm loving the feature corner wood burner there. Similar to the master bedroom, if I have a little pan around for you, you've got wonderful double doors going out to the covered porch and onto the pool. Nice little storage area discreetly tucked away over there. And then beautiful double arch access into what's being utilised as a dining room. Now you'll see in a minute, you know, that could easily be just included as part of the big sitting room, and I'll explain why in a second. Just love the way this property flows, and I don't know if you're getting a feel of the brightness, you know, for this time of day. Absolutely beautiful. Arched access off this dining area into the kitchen. And a good size, you know, beautiful units. Absolutely immaculate. And this huge picture window just floods it with kind of brightness. And then you've got door access there, straight out into the garden. And the door you see closed there is a nice size utility room. I'm not going to go and film the interior, but very good size utility room. So stepping out of the kitchen now into this beautiful, very spacious covered porch. You can see fans and lighting there as well. And here you've got a great big dining area, so you know this is just off the kitchen. Why are you going to go and sit inside at a dining table when you've got this just outside the kitchen? Wonderful relaxing seating area, and what I'm going to do is take a stroll over here and pan around so you can get the appeal. Wonderful casita, you can see there, great for storage of golf clubs, gardening equipment. Little pan around. It's so tranquil, you know, you sit here and just take the weight off essentially. Look at the beautiful backdrop, and this is such a lovely surprise, you know, you saw from the frontage and the lovely drive area and all along the side, you just cannot see this part of the garden. It's so beautifully private, just a real oasis, I suppose. Nice little barbecue sitting over there. Come over to the other side now, and I can't really see the camera because the sun's so bright in my eyes, but hopefully you're getting a good view. So there you have it, Villa Carob, beautiful 3-bed 2-bath villa, gorgeous covered porch, 8x4 swimming pool, pristine, newly refurbished, just under 1,300 metre corner plot with beautiful views and privacy. So, full details will come up shortly. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, give us a call now. You know the score, 950, or +34, sorry, 950 430 763, or +34 634 302 801, or just send us an email, khalidahomes@hotmail.com. Look forward to showing you this absolutely beautiful villa, Villa Carob.